Hello, I'm Tom coughing. Let's migrate some data from Teradata to Vertica. Just hit the Migrate button on Nexus and pick the source system of Teradata and pick Vertica. Now you're going to migrate this data. Pick the tables you want. There's my database. And where do I want them to go? What database and schema on Vertica? I'm halfway home. I check mark the tables I want to move, and I can unselect whatever I want. When I hit this blue button, everything that has a check mark is scheduled to move. The tables exist, so I can just insert more, or let's start over and drop and recreate them. Pick the load utility, and now all I have to do is execute this, and it is automation in motion. Nexus is now converting from Teradata to Vertica, the table structures, all of the different data types, and it's building the load scripts. You don't have to build load scripts, and it's off and running. I can check the logs and watch it in action, or I can just stay on the main screen. If it turns green, it moved perfectly. If it turns red, there was an error that you can check, and Nexus will tell you what happened that went wrong. This is working perfectly. Let's go see this addresses table, make sure that things are moving. I'll do a quick select, and Nexus will run the SQL. There it goes. That table has moved. The data is there. Hey, let's view this in dark mode. This is a real nice feature. We can see everything in a whole new light. Now, the data has moved, so let's save this project. We can schedule this for later when we really want to get this done. So Nexus will save it, allow us to edit it later, schedule it. We're good to go. Now, what if you had 500 million rows to move? Use the Nexus Server. It's paired with my PC. So I'm doing this on my PC, but this is going to run on a server. Let's load the same project we just ran. And now you have a high-speed server out there that will take from Teradata, go through the server, and on to Vertica. This could be 50 to 100 times faster. And now I just schedule it, and the server will run this using my credentials and security. This is off. We've scheduled it. It's running, and if it comes back green, well, it's back already. It came back with a green arrow, which means everything moved perfectly. If not, I could have checked these logs, and it gives me the detail I want. If you are moving to Vertica from any database, including Access or Excel, Nexus will automate this migration brilliantly. We understand everything about Vertica. It's a beautiful database, columnar. It does row-based in terms of the ETL, then moves it to the columnar side for querying. It is a leader in columnar databases, on-premises or in the cloud. How do we know? We wrote the book on it. Our book's coming out soon, and Nexus for Vertica support is in September 2022.